Good morning. Hello student. Are you ready? I am going to discuss about the nuclear structure. First come on the composition of nucleus. Composition of a nucleus. What do you mean by composition of nucleus? Nucleus has protons, neutrons. This nucleus has proton and neutron. Means proton plus neutron in the nucleus. Proton gives the positive charge to the nucleus. This positive charge protons and uncharged neutron. Proton gives the positive charge to the nucleus, while the protons and neutrons gives the mass. The total number of protons and neutrons is equal to the integral value of the atomic mass, that is called the atomic mass number. Means integral value sum of the number of protons and neutrons known as atomic number. Atomic number, that is sum of the protons and neutrons. That is atomic mass number. A is atomic mass number. This is atomic mass number. Mass number. And protons which provide the positive charge, that is represent the Z, known as atomic number. This is Z equal to the proton equal to the number of electron that lies in atom. Any element which represent any element Z, X, A, Z is atomic number and A is atomic mass number. In periodic table, the position of an element is determined by the atomic number Z. Here the nuclear particles proton and neutron also called nucleon. Sum of protons and neutrons are called nucleons. Nucleons. That now come on the size of the nuclear size, shape and density. Size of nucleus. Nucleus, especially in the spherical shape, the rough estimation of the size of the nucleus, size of nucleus is an order of approximate 10 power minus 15 meter, and volume is directly proportional to the atomic mass number. Volume of nucleus directly proportional to atomic mass number. Volume equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is a radius of nucleus. Therefore 4 by 3 pi r cube directly proportional a r directly proportional a power 1 by 3 r, you can say r equal to r naught a power 1 by 3, where r not equal to 1.2 into 10 power minus 15 meter is a empirical constant. P empirical constant. In Fermi, r not equal to 1.26 Fermi, because 1 into 10 power minus 15 meter equal to 1 Fermi. Therefore, this r equal to 1.5 1.2 into 10 power minus 15 a power 1 by 3 meter, or r equal to 1.2 into a power 1 by 3 Fermi. Here, this is in Fermi. Now nuclear shape. Come on. For almost all purpose nuclear regarded or regarded as a spherical shape. Nuclear density what do you mean nuclear density? The mass of nucleus, the mass of nucleus m equal to ma, where m is average mass of nucleons. Therefore, density equal to mass upon volume, mass ma upon 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here m equal to upon 4 by 3 pi r naught a power 1 by 3 whole cube. This will be here ma 3ma upon 4 pi r naught cube a cancel here 3 into 1.67 into 10 power minus 27 upon 4 into 3.14 into 1.2 into 10 power minus 15 cube. After solving, we will get that density will be equal approx 2 into 10 power 17 kg per meter cube. This density here, the nuclear densities are found in the in neutron star in the universe. Now come on the classification of nuclei. Classification of nuclei. First, nuclei classified isotopes, isobars and isotones. What do you mean by the isotopes? Isotopes, you can define the atoms of an element whose nuclei have same number of protons but different number of the neutrons are called isotopes. Again, the atoms of an element whose nuclei have the same number of protons but different number of neutrons are called isotopes. As example here, 1H1, 1H2, 1H3 and 8O16, 8O17 and 8O18, 17Cl35 and 17Cl37. These are isotopes because having the same atomic number of an element. As this is the hydrogen isotope, this is the oxygen isotope, this is the chlorine isotopes having the same of an element having the same protons but different number of neutrons. And here properties, all isotopes and element have the same number of electrons and atom has equal number of electrons and protons. Therefore, chemical properties of isotopes of different isotopes of element are same. Means this having the same chemical properties. 1H1, 1H2, 1H3 having the same chemical properties. Similarly, 8O16, 8O17 and 8O18 also having the same chemical property. But their mass is different, so that they have different physical properties. Now here come on the isobars. Second come on isobars. The nuclei which have the same number of nucleons but different number of protons and different number of neutrons are called isobars. Again, the nuclei which have same number of nucleons means having the same mass number but different number of protons and different number of neutrons. As for example, 6 C14 and 7N14 and 20 argon 40 17 argon 14 and 20 calcium 40. Like this, here means they have different place in the periodic table, because atomic numbers are different but mass number is same. They have different periodic table position. Their position is different in periodic table, so that they have different chemical properties, but the mass number is the same, so that they have same physical properties. Yeah. Isotopes, the nuclei having equal number of neutrons are called isotopes. The nuclei, third, isotopes, the nuclei having same number of neutrons are called isotopes, are called isotones. Therefore, we can say 3 lithium, example 3Li7 and 4 beryllium 8. 3 Li lithium 7 and 4 beryllium 8 having same neutron, neutron equal to 4. Similarly, you can say 11 sodium 23. Second example, 11 sodium 23 and 12 magnesium 24 having same neutrons 12. So that these are known as isotones. Now come on the nuclear reaction. Nuclear reactions. Here in nuclear reactions, here a nuclear reaction is a strong interaction between the atomic nucleus with the elementary particle. A nuclear reaction is strong nuclear reactions is a strong nuclear reaction is a strong interaction between atomic nucleus of an atomic nucleus with an elementary particle resulting in formation new nucleus and one more particle, resulting in the formation of new nucleus nucleus and one or more new particles and one or more new particles. Yes. As example here, X, this is a nucleus plus A, Y plus B. Here X is initial nucleus and A is initial particle. Initial nucleus, initial nucleus, initial particle, final nucleus, final particle. That may be written X A B. That may be written X A B Y. Means here the particle involved in the reaction written in the small bracket and first initial particle X and first initial particle and then the final particles. Here for the example, here 7 and 14, one of the example for this same example, 7 and 14 plus 2 is 4. We will get here the 8O17 plus 1 H1. Now please complete all the nuclear reactions as given in the table in your book and all the numericals in exercise and example.